For us at Enterprise Life, we've been in business of providing solutions, customized solutions, insurance solutions for our customers. And today we want to leverage on our existing platforms and the solutions that PayAngel, our new partners, have.
So this partnership is a strategic collaboration between Enterprise Life and PayAngel in making sure that Ghanaians abroad take advantage of their Kwantupa policy. And PayAngel provides the right payment solution platform for these collaborations to happen.
We're excited about this partnership. With the two of us coming together, customers will be able to pay their premiums monthly, quarterly, or yearly in a stress-free mode.
Enterprise, your advantage.
If you are in a diaspora, there's no other money transfer that you need to use other than PayAngel. It's fast, secure, and convenient. And guess what? The exchange rate is off the roof. If you are interested in growing, uniting, and building Africa, use PayAngel and also use the GUBA promo code.
PayAngel is safe, fast, and secure.
No fees, fast and secure. No fees, no fees, fast and secure. No fees, fast and secure. Hey, mommy, we power to what Ben saying.
Thanks to this. Oh, Abba.
That's it. Get the best exchange rate, fast and secure. Excellent customer service. Plus, free life insurance, but Ghana only. Traveling back home? Don't need to take your cash anymore. Use PayAngel. Free international money transfer.
PayAngel is safe, fast, and secure.
Go ahead.
Nameka say it's actually pathetic. Near air no. A lot of people on a daily basis, every literally crying over the phone. Omoka se menu me hu se me baye na me di me teacher wo Ghana na enya bad na me yesi na enya bad and I feel my tom meja pade de ama obi and I think say a hard journey but senya wo kanu the best radofo be a wutie ye free bia sebi nyesa akwantu na ne akwantu I will say it shum you cross check it sebi ye due diligence the last time minim say na say me number wo internet ne so be bring to minim baby the phone nya me number free but or send me you me verify say no crack and on the face of it I didn't need anyone to tell me that's enya papa and obi chairman and ko to na boarding you know these are some of the things in the help I offer. The person didn't even have to pay consultation or anything. So you can't say for lawyer free. When it requires consultation, I'll make a choice and I make a quick one. Me ni the full be frame and also mini consultation. Person me no kasa. Me nene kasa. Me so me frame me kasa consultation. I'm just saying in the extreme circumstances.
The legal aid over
Yes, but in extreme circumstances, so in American, we can just have a quick look because we are in touch with our humanity as well. When our discretion permits, you bet me share you bet me. We just encourage you do your checks, overcheck. I know say agent for no be some question no move and it is only when something as fishy as this and then more move no. Because some people baby say bisan.
That's a red flag, isn't it?
Yes. Because who be so be idea. Me say be me a lawyer, no business lawyer. Then I also yeah, mama na. Who be say me 100 times, as a be a bit annoying, might be. Me catch not even annoying, but me catch over and over again. Me see you saying, me catch you saying, when you accepted, when you accepted.
Obini.
Catch I me who.
Na deɛ memusa question na mebɔ aba so paa ne wabotrɛ.
Thank you.
Wo me ne odi nkɔmmɔ mefa ne sɛ na ɔtwe mmienu mu ne no. Waboa me bebree. Anytime bia mebɔ pono bia no. Ubie me. Nyame nhyira wo paa. Na
we are here to help me that
sɛ obi a wo aha obia no. Na wabɔ lawyer pono mu. Baabi o obia obebie na waboa. Lawyer nyame nhyira wo. Nyame nhyira wo.
Amen. Thank you so much for being here. Me appreciate you. Me that's it. That's okay. Thank you.
Obin Pacho, mami mbusa lawyer unya lawyer contact wo ye dwumadie so ana.
Me Pacho ya platform.
Oh wow. Okay, so is a testament a dansidie say dwuma ya ye di ebo manfo en. Ye da se pa se waba na waba be di ho adansi ama.
Me that's okay. I really appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, now own download you pay Angel app no so I know what download. Go ahead.
Nameka say it's actually pathetic. Near air no. A lot of people on a daily basis, every literally crying over the phone. Or moka se me no me hu se me baye. Na me di me teacher wa Ghana na enya bad. Na me yesi na enya bad. And I feel my tom me japa de ama obi. And I think say a hard journey, but senya work no. The best side of all, maybe I would say a free beer. Seven years I went to nani I went to. I will say it shum. You cross check it. Sebi ye due diligence. The last time, meaning said and say my number was internet needs to be bring to meaning baby or the phone yeah my number free, but or sending monsieur as I mean verify say no crack. And on the face of it, I didn't need anyone to tell me that's any papa. And be chairman and boarding. You know, these are some of the things in the help I hear of. The person didn't even have to pay consultation or anything. So you can't say for lawyer free. When it requires consultation, I'll make a choice. And I make a quick one. Me for the full be free me no mini consultation. Person me no kasa. Me kasa me so me free me kasa consultation. I'm just saying in the extreme circumstances.
The legal aid over
Yes, but in extreme circumstances, so American, we can just have a quick look because we are in touch with our humanity as well. When our discretion permits, you bit me and share you bit me. We just encourage you do your checks, overcheck. I know the agent for no be some question no move, and it is only when something as fishy as this and the more move for no. Because some people baby say bisan.
That's a red flag, isn't it?
Yes. Because who be so be idea. Me say be me a lawyer, no business lawyer. Then also yeah, mama na. Who be say me 100 times, as a be a bit annoying, might be. Me catch not even annoying, but me catch over and over again. Me see you saying, me catch you saying, when you accepted.
Hi, Abushafo. Good evening. Lovely to have you all here. Meeting Daniel, and I'm really glad say Nyame Ede Emre Cheyembium for me to join you right here on Facebook and YouTube, bringing you your legal answers with ABINELLE solicitors. Sanche be a lawyer, Mami Ablanya Kwampia Babe Kame Hona. So and let me go over the reason why we introduced this show in the first place. So we've experienced massive success of this show our TikTok platform, and all of you are free TikTok no like just a couple of minutes back I was on there. Pacho, if you come on here, let me know you are from TikTok. Just put on there say put on the stream, say, I'm here from TikTok. Let me give you a shout out. Let me give you a shout out. If you are here from TikTok, let me give you a shout out and you can go ahead and ask your question. So we've experienced massive success of this show on TikTok, and we realize say enye nipa nyina ena sebio wo mo TikTok. Secondly, no so enye nipa no dodo na wo mo TikTok no so na wo mo the live button feature it's more efrosro eba be busa some questions the way they want to ask them. And sometimes they would type in the comment section, but the characters are limited into to get a full import and the full benefits. So we decided together with ABINELLE solicitors Adauroma say, hey Meshach Dansusi, I'm here from TikTok. Let me highlight that for you. Meshach, welcome. So all the TikTokers, welcome. Mpacho oba like yeah, TikTok no, copy the link, share the stream with your friends, and there are a lot of people who will benefit. And I had here, you can climb up stage. The link I'm also share our Hack TV and now ABINELLE page, you will see the link on there. And no person first now be our questioner. You can do that. Over to me first. You click on the link and then you come into our virtual studio and you'll be brought on live to ask your question. And also, the phone line will be announced shortly. Lawyer Bape, I'll put the phone line on, and you would be able to call us live in the studio. Now will be a question. But like I was saying, the main reason for this show is to bring you a platform where we can have education as far as UK immigration, housing, and family law is concerned. And we realize that when there are gaps in the knowledge, there is room for exploitation. And I know say a lot of people have been victims in terms of being taken undue advantage of. And we want to serve the community by helping people bridge that gap. So that is the use. Lawyer, see I'm here, but lawyer, I can't see you. Pacho, you are not in the studio. It's let me Pacho, maybe you want to go back, re-click on this thing, and then because I can't see you. Let me reshare. Let me see. Yeah, it's the same. So lawyer, maybe click on disconnect and then disconnect and come back and let me have you on there. So yes, like I was saying, a lot of people have been unduly taken advantage of because of the knowledge gap. There are a lot of information, or there's a lot of information on a lot of different platforms. But one of the benefits you get by engaging with a legal, a legally recognized and as a law firm like ABINELLE solicitors, and he said they are certified, they are regulated, and see bibi omuye biano, they know say emra kwanso and also mofaso, and you can easily access them. One office, 14 Claypole Road, Stratford in London. They can engage you virtually via Zoom, Teams, Google Meet. They can talk to you on the phone. You don't need to travel from wherever you are to be able to bring your case to them. And they are very responsive, very, very, very responsive. And my learned guest, Mami Abena Kwapia, is amazing at her service, her customer service. She will talk to you at any time. Minim say yana imu adofokra efreno emra or chilia emra wada out of office hours, but she still attends to their needs, and it's just remarkable. So let's go on quickly. So let me welcome Meshach is here from TikTok. Owusu Akwesi is here from Charlie TikTok for my Yaman IFA. Thank you so much, guys. Let's share the stream and then we go straight into it. I'm going to put the phone line on after Lawyer Bayeni introduction, and then we are going to go straight into it. So, Lawyer, good evening.
Hi, good evening, Daniel. Hi.
Hello, good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Thank you.
Awesome. And I'm glad today we have another opportunity to serve the community, and by the kind courtesy of your firm, ABINELLE Solicitors, and by your own, by the courtesy of yourself as well. No? Therefore, ebetimi aje information, very, very important, very relevant information when it comes to the legal systems with immigration, housing, family. UK has say. So Mamima Wakwaba, na minim, let's go straight into it. Tell us something about ABINELLE Solicitors for those who may be joining us for the very first time, especially our friends from outside the UK who have the willingness, some person to coin no mobile UK has say yeah. Tell us something about ABINELLE Solicitors, what you are able to do, what you do, and even after they are in the country, the things you can do for them, where we can find you, and something about yourself as well. Now, if there are any updates, but you're mute too.
Midincha Ekoma, all our listeners, viewers, wherever you're tuned in from, and then you may, that's to say once again, we're tuning in. So if you're watching us for the first time, I'm the lawyer ABENA Nyakwapia, me Juma ABINELLE Solicitors, Fairma, East London, Stratford, 14 Claypole Road, E15 to RJ. Now, your family, your immigration law, all forms of in-country, maybe we application of any sort, ranging from leave to remain, further leave to remain, naturalization, more for application, BBR, about entry clearance applications as well. Now, just I think I'll be so backroom. A bit to me, I German, so I'm a person for the count home, my account home, any form of visas, Juma. I think housing law, a be home, a Juma, the amount, this repairs, landlord and tenant issues, any form of housing issue, ABINELLE Solicitors is a go-to firm. I think family law and so child arrangements orders, why are you pursuing divorce, more motor dying, more scat together, more business together. Different financial orders, no, so you pay any form of family application again, no molestation order, now your friend restraining order, or domestic situation, biamo, etc. with tata or crime bank, and I'll become home. Come for advice and decide what you want to do going forward. ABINELLE Solicitors and now over Oba social lawyer now free social lawyer but it's on kind of Facebook, YouTube, Hack TV, TikTok by wherever you are now I'm a now free. So thank you, Bia. By way of updates, it's just the old ones. Makawa, I shared on another platform to Mami Timubim, and there hasn't been anything the last 2 days. Immigration law, a fast-paced area of law, constantly changing. And into say, Obi Nimbibi last year, my name fast out on you to him. But the Biana Yassamioma. Oh, yes, see, anything, Biana Chum. Yen Shannon, since the updates by. On Tuesday, I believe, about BBI friend and bereaved partner roots. And I just said, would drop for Ukno. We are free wherever in the world. I do what can or UK Promoha. By unfortunately, media with free more. Na etwan bɛ na wobɛfa so abɔ bra from my son say visa issues no linked to Mawaria, linked to or how do you prove going forward say Mawaria need a genuine and subsistent, which is one of the key requirements of Moshishe visa category routes and on says not for 2 years there. And your natural say will be to me. I application they now will indefinitely leave to remain a friend of your boy, no, and I'm so we're free more. Now, so application here indefinitely leave to remain at the phone kai, you will be a friendly fee waiver, not just a fee. I would do your home office fee, no, affordability test. It was a wound to me afford it. It doesn't matter how much I will earn, and that is another myth. Oh, man, I need 2,000, 3,000, meet me at your debby. Boy, any 1,000, but the outgoings, nigga, get to into to me saving more money. Maybe I also earn 3,000, but outgoings, no. Nti wunni sika no affordability test no or pass, yeah, they will waive the fee. However, fee waivers ain't available for any form of indefinite leave to remain. And when they also piss can out to ya. Na yɛka na yɛhyɛ sɛ bi a wodɔfo afiri mu ɛka wɔ hɔ wei woyɛ sei bi a wɔbɛfly back home na wokɔsie no woyɛ ha nso a wobɛtɔ asase very expensive asie no ne ade. How do you go about it? Sɛ wobɛsan bɛyɛ wo visa wobɛtua bɛyɛ £3,000 in home office fee as a legal fee ɛne ho nneɛma nkakra a wobɛyɛ ne sɛ nti for Parliament for on Tuesday no Omabo Home Secretary Nija say Omomodiana Unchum introduce fee waiver no Emma bereaved partners on this routine so na anka omuntimi make exception for them say although indefinitely to men on the general category no unya due for fee waiver but ubia ne ho kani free mu ne ho akasa find so the yammo mo kwan now more apply say affordability test or meet here wo ne kuna free sabi enso sika a wota ho no ono no nka ho but bo nso ne kuna free ma ho kire real hardship abegusua so mo saa no ometimi access fee waiver by media more indefinitely to remain applications under the bereaved partner route. And instead any of this a buy in the week I meet him mama if you are new listeners are it's me. Matino Machado so in CP CP as a break no at the updates beba until what say now dof be who can hold situation be also on fair lawyer na our ABINELLE lists now meet me M1 of an of our friends. Thank you.
Okay, all right, lawyer. Thank you so much. Now we want to take. We don't have much time on this show. We would by 9 o'clock British summer time. Na Japan. Friday and you was said lawyer ekojina home na BBI come. Yeah, but as far as we are here to serve you. And maybe a phone line at here. The number is on your screen. Obey me afraying. Na question be webusa. The number no yeah available on WhatsApp. Assign available your friend is saying the number is available on WhatsApp. Is also you can also call live. So UK has a wait me afraid live on so na BBI come. So the link is on the comment section. Wait me I click on link. So so you want to come up stage and ask your question. You don't have to switch on your video. You can just come via audio. Na waba we our question. Not just say bibia aye come. Nti whilst I train or call no na abano. I want to get some education from lawyer. So lawyer, one of the areas are amount for here additional work student visa, right? My big brother, Cecilia Holland, Mr. Sound, good evening. Shout out to you. In the late 90s, no, in the early 90s, actually, not late 90s, because to quite around 91, 92, thereabout. And then, they will apply for the schools and then, apply, yeah, ABA school, no, brand prospectus, now, more share, no, application, about, or, and I said, admission letter, no, they are calling Bazi, yeah, money visa, na BBI, come straight, now, or them clean. Now, but over the years, it's about 30 years now. A lot of things have changed. Now you need to pay your school fees. You need to do a lot of things. Between about school, UK has a US and all the other places. And I wanted to maybe educate us a little bit about student visas. And no cry anything documents being a here. Yana yet cast letters no money ade obeka ho asem kakra kyerɛ na and Quinte Kuta I'll be joining in. Yeah, she's on. I'll be bringing her on screen shortly. But lawyer, let's give us a bit of introduction whilst I also wait for your comments, your questions, and your phone calls to me BBR to come through. Give us some education on the student visa, Kakra.
Okay. Student visas are one of the many of few routes, as you like. I will be to me so Ediaba UK. And into obi to me first, lawyer and pesa me back UK. I may be say, Quine Bena, a wide himself is off as over. Obi a zoo a quine beer. A quine beer obeys me, but yes, young kind who's a student visa is one of the many ways I will be to me afaso at the upper UK. I your entry clearance application and the student visa no a denya. You were general students and I were child students. And into child students here obia or 4 years, ABC 16 years. A child student. And Kayana your twin student visa, you go automatically to master students. At the funny bit to me the omumaba, your children. 4, 5, 6 or bus school to say or bus school in university students and per se. Or more a child student category. What's here and can you may or papa sell do bucket tour. A school, a pine war. Your visa category, your mama me and have a pound so visa to accompany the child. Ba about front and war, the passport better UK education system no based in UK. A pine war so yeah highlights mostly master students numbers and see another category. So we are child students and they all their friend see for general student visa and only adult students which will be our first degree or by second degree a friend a masters and as over third degree a friend a PhD. And so it was our category. I classified as students for the purposes of Appendix X and your rules and right govern student visa in any idea. The first so it's to a man among and into the process starts by the passport gaining an admission to a UK university with higher track record of compliance. Universities need be over. Omunujum. So when your student visa or enya dia will be to me at the school UK. If you are they only have the license to sponsor you. So we'll be to they will chrome her. Now we are if you visit visa be a the graduation. If you are want to mean for visa one share who apply is very important to make sure that your university. So person UK in person be if you are not person you're online or Ghana. There's so many universities over to me and but in country you need to check first university now more applying I think on the home office list almost sponsor international students do they have the higher records of compliance like you say and no a first thing to look at after gaining admission to the university usually before the admission you'll be to me amount conditional offers so based on certain conditions maybe pay some of your fees, attend an interview from the university's immigration team enforcement because they want to ascertain if you have the genuine intention to study. And yet, students are no paso and now what baby they want to know. Of course, nothing I will be there. To me be so. Then now per se of course now baby and I feel there by one to saying how many modules now of course no so university now so banokran no band also UK you should have done your research or genuine intention or interest maybe be no and usually they will send you some documents first telling you about the course modules are any they need you to have studied it and when you are there to know. So those processes you go through, you pay parts of your fees, then you get an unconditional offer and no deal who accept me by your unconditional. You get a conditional first, you meet the conditions, then you get the unconditional offer. And then after he accepts your place. That is when you go to the process of obtaining your CAS. It's a CAS, no, a confirmation of acceptance for studies. That is a document be a demawa. A student for COS. Into COS a buy in and CAS will hold that, but that is just for the student bits and no a financial student for COS and no entail Juma. Sorry, entail student sponsorship license. Students have found normal license number course I will bear the duration of the course, anything passport number, or dates of birth, place of birth, is a document and tell us like fees the whole fees, how much has been paid and how much is owed to the university. It has all that information into cars no and again a key documents they call due visa. Mind you, student visas are under points-based system, and just like skilled worker visa, and under points-based system, so you need to score some points to be able to get the visa. We have 70 points in all, and the CAS will give you 50 points. It's very, very, very a chunk part of it because they would have confirmed your finances and things with it. And so, when then you get your English language requirements. You have to meet English language requirements. Omoji Wasi a year West African certificate examination Ghana, no, but it shouldn't have been more than 10 years old. To be a university and sorry, we secondary school if you have time no a friend senior secondary school certificate examination there actually they want Wasi, no, and it should have been in the last 10 years until 2024 by September admission at the latest your course no or what's in it should be 2014. Yeah, beyond that piano yeah dear obey to me just a way IELTS and I say university beyond or English language somewhat accepted we now they are coming it's me about. So that is it about it as well. So when you know na visa application so in case they are in two portions dealing with the university, getting your confirmation, blah 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 when you BBR together, as I have explained, and some called visa application process. So you upload your documents and you are doing and then within 15 days, sometimes 3 weeks, yes, working days, they will give you a reply as to when your visa no or not now back from so bad when your student visa you're expected to go to the school and I'm so what provided bank statement I catch or say you have the whole of your fees maybe your margin maybe a third of it but you have the whole of the remaining fees plus 9 months maintenance fee. So when you come they give you a payment plan and they expect you to say scan it how they are to. Unfortunately, that is not the case for most of our Ghanaian students or mobile. And I say even most students in general, if you are with me in bank statements, and so see coming shut down na hosa that some soon to be do time installment plan they do no nothing acquire and send the break or want to me in meet conditions. No. Afei no na yɛte mebaa school mentumi ankɔ me main na ntumi ankɔ yɛatwerɛ yɛ letter yɛacancel any adeɛ nyinaa that is where it stems from. Nti ɛma abisa sɛ ɔba UK for student purposes you should go to the school, you should comply and yɛbɛma wo 20 hours a week within term. Ɛberɛ a school in section, university in section, you are only allowed to work 20 hours a week because they want you to dedicate the most of your time for academic work because what on the student visa, I'm not a work visa, and it's 20 hours now will be to me I get a week.
Okay, Leah, wow, that's that was elaborate. I didn't expect that you'd give quite an elaborate, compressed response like that, but you've actually covered quite a lot of grounds. Maybe I'll ask this one or two. But before that, Yanko at the phone Waha. I have a question on the screen. I say, lawyer, can you please educate me on bringing my spouse from Ghana? What requirements must she meet? I hold a British passport. Thank you. And I think he also added, say, may I know the costs as well?
Okay.
May I know the fees involved?
Okay. And see, spouse visa. But spouse visa, or ukunu eba. They didn't kind. Also, to me, prove said the relationship is genuine and subsistent. Omun po bi a okofana ba, opeso gain immigration advantage. Nyo ukunu nyo yere should be ubi a wodofo. Our person the neighbor account. The genuine the relationship must be genuine and subsistent. How you prove that? So marriage certificate obviously registered correctly. Then kai one ko ebia wo ha wow yeah British citizen what will be a question because of one or two reasons when to me uncle make sure that the marriage becomes a proxy marriage. Proxy marriage need be either one or both parties any available at the ceremony. Now representatives agent and their mom. A proxy marriage has to come with accompanying attestations from regional affairs, foreign affairs and regional integration, and the judicial secretary. You have to make sure all these documents are accompanied for the Home Office to accept it. That is the first thing to prove your marriage is genuine and subsistent. There's also be in conversation. Or therefore, when you in China, that one thing in Kankura, be a 2 times, and no penny text messages, calls, kakra here and there. Ɔdɔfo a wonni wo nkyɛn you still the day wotumi message no yɛbɛtwe ne nyinaa ka abom akɔmprɛse evidence of communication phone call logs ɛne text ɛne video calls a moyɛ nyinaa ɛbɛtumi aba mu how you prove that if be intervening devotion not really a requirement but they want to see who's sending the money transfer birthday draw no so pussy card bro na say boga for no more than one send but more so they can prove by sending you card a post office a pussy kama you drew her ya scanning in the account toilet be watcher e dia to post my
nyabotre na eba say or sendi your friend saying Kobe Nikita schoolboys in Wajane no many idea no
pa and no so cry pa ning na wo receipt once I will DHL na will send baby will send be our receipt na send you akoma mdo for na address so come and be so dear our passport Mr. friend ya menu na the passport this Steven ya boa but money trust Steven ya boa no never confuse ya menu dear no what running na come na evidence of intervening devotion which are commitments when you maintain there I said be and your menu as though we're together and money are there and that is to prove genuine and subsistent back swiftly onto the financial requirement which is very important and saying since 11th April 2024 or my change financial requirements are nanka a year 18,600 or 29,000 at the foreign channel so incrementally they're going to take it to 38,700 pounds which is the original figure they wanted to put it from 18,000 they were shooting it right up to 38,000 and now the four journalists lawyers will be a more backlash and massive but incrementally over the next year will be 38,000 Mr. I look for send a single-handedly any 38,000 will come at the moment no make use of the 29,000 which even that's not be bring for within but that is and that requirement is very strict. When you have 28,000 your application will be refused unless of course you were earning some specific benefits are related to disability and because of that you can't work personal independence payments your carers allowance it be a one casa and answer it be a ocean directly care to disability be amount those are the only exemptions otherwise you have universal credit at the full visa is not a permitted benefit there be and they said be your crowd to meet you can't go for a yari just some specific benefits due to their disability or inability to work and I know where you work into bibisa or more into your core English languages or the far ban you should pass the English level English language at least level A1 and so wait to me but obey your tuberculosis test and your negative results come at the account. Yes, tenancy agreements for the maintenance. So you have to show that you can provide maintenance to your spouse without free cost to public funds, and into tenancy agreements, and also share at least one room exclusive to yourself. When you mofra, then the room starts adding up. So these are quickly the requirements. Will be set for the fee, the home office fee, entry clearance, a good £4,500. Ever broker 5,000. The charge in dollars, I think it's just under $6,000, which will come to about £5,000 or just under £5,000. The 5,000 be a general. Say the Burma Home Office for. The fees are in two parts. Immigration health surcharge and say mutum and now my fee na a bit BBO they will charge, will pay for the IHS first, then we'll pay for the application fee altogether just under £5,000. As our legal fee, and so a bejo kakra. Now it's me, I come out of another account. So I hope I've answered your question, but feel free to come visit spouse visa and propose a straightforward. As you refuse to be a kokota, but you're very, very long winded. Misses some requirements and swap on be refuse to. And whom he saw the baby lawyer now I go file for the count. Now we union. I any Jenny.
Yeah, Niger. Say says ebia summer banti when ya je ba nche bia winter be unity. Charlie. Chroma winter so de. Onkwa o da o heated blanket cry nye adwuma. Ntimisro. Ye odofo abusa question. Say fees and I think say obusa fees no lawyer a cover fees number. But contacting na me de yeah the your friend saying phone number number 2 screen so now yeah come on. And Chibia, I'm gonna bring on Kente Couture, lawyer. Now we have a chat with her briefly before we go. But there is another question I assign Abba. My young friend no quickly na afi memfa Kente Couture bra stage. So now yeah nchichin komo kakra bi ansa na we round up. Mamin Kaya the force say you are live on Hack TV on YouTube. You are live on ABINELLE Solicitors Facebook page and on my page Daniel Kwaku DADSON. It's your legal answers with ABINELLE Solicitors and my learned guest lawyer who fini obason or pa lawyer mami abena nyako apia one for bonum rani sa na oba be come ho na enyumre ya menino edi dwumadi ti sene me fiti ase me kai no we've had massive success on TikTok and we felt that we need to extend the platform it will benefit a lot more people and that's why we are here. So show us some love mpacho mon share stream so Facebook share it to all your groups and friends and your profile near the YouTuber share copy make a post out of it na we me the be I can say me reverend Ajimai but share the link there or the abama ye nyina yetimi can be share the link or share the link na come lawyer. Let's go to this question quickly. I see please, my husband has been given 2 years after pre-settlement but I learned they are giving others 5 years.
Into pre-settlement, pre-settlement is also called limited leave to remain under the European Union settlement scheme. Until you be what pre-settled, and that means the person is either an EU national or a family member of an EU national. And Senator Kakweshi has been given 2 years after the pre-settlement. Pre-settlement near 5 years. So your 5 years residency, then you'll be able to qualify for indefinite leave to remain. Almost half for the settled status under the European Union settlement scheme. Now since last year, Home Office had the news about say for the EU nationals, they all pre-settled status now. 5 years automatically or mobile 2 years to extend your leave in order say lapse it to automatically. But if you are due for indefinite leave to remain, they are then apply for indefinite leave to remain. And then if a man 5 years after pre-settlement, unless the question 128. As all and this is what you mean that you will not get 5 years after pre-settlement. Pre-settlement is valid for 5 years. Now, after that, you are due for indefinite leave to remain. Because of the Home Office was a automatic 2 years. But you can renew it before at the end of the 5 years or before the 2 years. You don't have to wait to do another 2 years. Otherwise, you're just wasting the time you could have gained your indefinite leave to remain. So that is what it is. 5 years after another 5 years, which is the pre-settled. Unless the question didn't come out right, then you call me later after the show, and if you can clarify before we close.
Okay, that would be awesome. Clarify. Let me bring on our guest, our August guest. Now, quickly, no me can lawyer home. Kente Couture, good evening. Mpacho,
good evening, ABENA.
Joseph. Questions everybody now, Mr. Don't worry. Yeah, me so mami. Be far before the time is up. And Nanan, so say you are trying to connect. If you are trying to connect, just click on the link and then activate your video. You come in our virtual studio. Now you're ready to do. But you'll be able to call.
Nyankopɔn adom mu bibi abɔkɔ mpatwɔ na wo nso
Nyamiadum, yensu ye na and as I was saying, TikTok the only and bullshit. Now we felt say it would be good to have you on here to talk about last the other bizarre question. Meaning say and our question for lawyer and plan our business so quickly.
Oh, basically, so the me a unim sɛ me the school route na ne ba UK nti I think say maybe you're starting free na ye pa nti I think that the your person yet to be and yet to be a person ye hun so ye hun aha nti
Good.
yeah the lawyer si bebree ɛne da bia said the osi kyerɛkyerɛ ye ma like or enlighten ye on so many things in our stay in the UK is very, very helpful. Nti ɛma yɛ hu sɛ deɛ yɛbɛtumi nso aka akyerɛ afoforɔ ɔmo fi a ɔmo nso pɛ sɛ ɔmo wura mu through the school route because yɛ deɛ maybe yɛ ma nkɔfo assist yɛ but now na lawyer aba mu no ɛma yɛtumi ma nkɔfo information because of the information we've equally received from lawyer on how they will have their way through. Yeah. I hear some back up church scam movie for yeah.
No crown. I can't think far.
Easy.
You know, you run a business which is Kente Kuto. So can one some kakra che Kente ni dia ti ase ba koto no minim say ye French o say ye you Spanish.
Oh, all right. Yeah, Kuto actually means variety of things. And Shadani to say the be a bit me this partner, not this particular thing. Yeah, Kuto I mean variety. So into Kente Kuto nature say Kente no you will assorted. I said a local person would put it. Yeah, into Kente Kuto nature say yɛbɛtumi ama varieties of kente piece of cloth or kente piece of fabric. That is what it actually means.
Okay, right, that's great. And see, how long have you been doing this? How long have you been doing it?
Oh, okay. Me and Kasano, right from NTC, I think 2017, and me share my cloth business as it. Whilst I was on campus and I was about to graduate from school, and not me here with high target fabric, me far from Chrome because I'm from Kumasi, me far from KJT. Now me the back campus, now me me colleagues me 2 years, and me really that was how it all started. And now me my friend, the now my friend, the so male friend, no so also schooling no so was into this northern kente. I also one into no so it's something that he's doing to support his studies and other things. Into along the line, the friends my friendship layer ties, and then you move from fabric no echo join or no which was kente northern kente no. But because Namimi Wokumasinti, I was rather going through the Ashanti Kente line and he was doing the northern Kente. Inti Kente puto on Anka say any pami nubina idea ni cry ya kind who boma ya share BBS.
All right. You've been going strong, quite a strong brand. Now, what kind of Ashanti Kente is it? A boom raking tena you sana ya de tunyumana na
okay.
Is it the same?
Yeah, Asante Kente said you were northern Kente. Na you was Asante Kente ni you bonire Kente. That is the Asante Kente. And you want northern pattern Kente. These are the two common ones I in Asante and then the northern, and then we have a business so a Voltarian. It comes out in a specific pattern. Yeah, now Cecia Nipa no my husband. So my husband was into the northern and I was in Kumasi. So that makes me Asante the no so taking care of the northern Kente orders. That is how.
Right. Well, my cartoon series we are not sure in collaborate with Captain Planet. I see by our powers combined. That any you've pushed it well. So how you've been promoting it basically via social media and other things because
Yeah, social media honestly has been very helpful to our business.
okay.
Just on a positive side and on a negative side, but the positive outweighs the negative.
Okay.
Yesterday, it was actually through our WhatsApp statuses, and we were just getting in touch with some few friends who had our contact. You posted to your status, no more share. Until obi pebia na wa order. Then that time we were not even having a shop. Yeah, we opened our physical shop, I think, just a year ago.
Okay.
Into everything we were doing everything online through our WhatsApp. Later on, we had to get a Facebook page, and be a Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok and so bar into play. So the BI started from online, and honestly, our friends have been very helpful towards our business. Your business na grow as a result of reference. Obi beto bi wia na waka kyerɛ n'adamfo sɛ, oh, call Mavis one call Andy hɔ, they will sort you out, and that is how it has been all this while. And nyame dom so nti nneɛma ayɛ yie enya nkɔɔtɔ sɛdeɛ pɛ, but looking at how we started and where God has brought us, we really appreciate that. We really appreciate that. Yeah.
Good. I mean, you pa na ya that the business phone komo. And
Sure.
a lawyer mre na me say yen get crashing a kakra na yen fa
Sure.
you can take it on so a metrim. Na so near me person my yen just briefly before say obesi from na lawyer for the rest of the question and son our corner say ye pesi ye other bia say who ha say minim say husband so minim say ha na so no Ghana or no. Say if we want to contact you,
No Ghana.
no Ghana, into Ghana for bet me or there free no ho. Yen so I wa hanu say order be near dia. How can we reach you? How can we contact you?
All right. Cecilia, just as I said earlier, yeah, we'll shop at Irani at the shop is open from Monday to Friday. Saturday is Penayimbi, but Chinakra. Many information say he said he will be going to the shop tomorrow. Into your shop no bit near located here, it will come as the KJT Dubai Market, first floor. Ɛhɔ na yɛwɔ shop number na ɛyɛ F0450. Sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔ shop a wodeɛ woduru children's hospital hɔ nom a yɛwɔ contact ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom a you can equally put the contact across wofrɛ a ebi a wobɛnya me mother anaa me sister because no me anaa me husband ɛwɔ campus so oni shop every time nti my mom is at the shop, my sister is at the shop, and international orders and so me wa ya meje endra say obi busa me say I pay a customized order yeah the me catch and say I can discuss with you now yeah agree on what you want and then I will just send your details across so that it will be ready for you. And to say who will UK, who will US, that these are the two places that the international orders free because the UK and then US. So who will get in touch. MTN line no active on WhatsApp, which is +223 0243 163240. And then if you are in UK, it's 07425 725990. Ubetimi contact me directly. And me person me can we say so a tight or me opportunity so. You can't know yeah demand really at affordable prices. Yeah, should be brave, but it doesn't mean that we are not giving you something which is not authentic. Yeah, ma wo ade yeah papa, but yeah me ma wo born money to the extreme. Yeah nyane sa. Inti se wo wo ha say ya e bia de be call ye be charge you 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. O de ma ye wo ha ye ne wo ebe kasa na ya ye bibia kama ma at a price enkoye se bia owo ama no ni nti ye di bu ana ye de boni bi to so. So that is what I want to add.
Okay, I was saying for that's Kente Kuto for you. Now one can with Dianca Sanchez, you and I mean I'm messy.
Okay, within the Mavis.
Okay.
But my Facebook handle, I am used to Kente Kuto Ghana anymore, and I say I'm a Kennedy. That is my local name.
Okay.
And my husband also the Andrews Che. And also so we check it Andrews Che. I be who say or never be brave one Facebook or Instagram and then TikTok account are about our brand.
Okay.
And we will need people to help us push the brand
Awesome.
far.
Awesome. Let's support Ghana businesses. Let's support the indigenous entrepreneurs that are more put out an indigenous brand and let it go global. Lawyer, Pacho, quick one answer na obeja ye kwa kon minim say if you are gonna put some orders now discount to be I was here different on the engine is
Sure.
Yes, yes. You are actually our Ekuma UDS was Okunuba Wa campus there. Remember for Wa
Yeah.
campus. Yes, yes, yes.
Wow.
Ekuma, yes. That's
Okay.
actually lovely. I just want to encourage you, yeah, say. And it's very important what you said because sometimes at the end of your turn, the 500 cities, who are breaching. What test no go
Mhm.
who number now? Hey, wait there, mediti. Yenye jumasa. Well, it's nice. I for one, may try the Ghana. I would give you a tip. So that's embume ehun here. You know, we are starting to create the ayo juma. Be I very recommend it because the boy how special day in yam will be Ghana because we didn't class 4 for the DNM now. But you all have so by what we easy, sir, a lot of bills to be paid.
Lazy.
And full time, yeah, we have to our dinner and sister. So it's very important what you said. I think so. Will be our ocean now. Will be our special later. In I am patronizing this brand and your core parties were high. Let's rock it and let's show that we have a rich culture. Fugu no so me I say me this let me say fugu pa me say sim na your koya no. Say fugu in their palm you come now we'll ball like you see. So yeah. Let's patronize them northern one in there. And in Alansi for your weddings, or me using northern one they can come home nicely. It's just actually very beautiful. And say, I just want to encourage you guys say and patronize it and take it and follow more and share and like you. Utis will be so here can ta. I say you can be once a man. Don't go anywhere. Right here. Now being quality for cheap, affordable.
Okay. All right. Jessica Pacho, thank you so much for joining us this evening on your legal answers. Both now I call you legal and business answers. So have a wonderful evening. Main
All
call,
right. We
lawyer.
understand. So, opportunity and media, my lawyer, and I really appreciate it. I
You're
don't take
welcome.
it
My
lightly. I
pleasure.
really
My
appreciate it.
pleasure. My
Yeah,
pleasure.
Rabbi Shram fans.
Amen. Amen. Thank you for
Okay,
coming
so
on.
I will join the other way from the
Okay.
other way.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All
Okay,
right.
bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I was here for minute lawyer Abena. We are back quickly to finalize and I said to take the last batch of your questions and sign up. Lawyer, I have a question on the screen. Meshak Dansue, one of your TikTok friends, or joining you. I'll say, please, lawyer, is there any opportunity for students who has successfully completed his successfully completed and is about to graduate but want to switch because of tuition fees? I don't know. I think there's something a bit missing there, but I don't know if you get you get his
Sometimes it's missing because I read it and didn't understand. So what we there? If you have successfully completed, I don't know why we are.
about that.
Oh, I think I can understand it. I don't know, or maybe a school no, but some of the school fees can. So if they were to do the graduate route visa, the university will not release the information and confirm to the home office
Oh,
for
okay,
them to be able to go on the graduate route because of Modica. So
right.
besides that, are there any vacancies or switch? Again, how do you prove you are successfully completed if you don't pay your fees and get your certificates? Because that is the way you can go on the skilled worker route as well. Since last year, July, Home Secretary announced by the way we school now to me skilled worker route. So if you can go on the skilled worker route, you need to show you have successfully completed. How do you prove it? It's a bit of problem that you haven't been able to pay your fees. If you could pay, the graduate route is a good opportunity for you to be on there for 2 years. Will be to me a day teacher until then. But again, if you're a single person, you can always marry someone now or British or shelter for or British passport or indefinitely to remain. And that's how you know to come here. You can marry child of one. So to go on the family route, and I say Meshach deɛ ɔyɛ bɛrima din but wo nso wowɔ British child anaasɛ ɔbaa nso koraa wowɔ British child and so you can go on the parenthood. So these are the routes generally over to Miakoso. Yes, but if you could pay the fees, it would be a good way for you to go on the graduate route while you explore the other options.
Okay. Let's pick this one quickly. I say, hello, lawyer. I came with COS as a carer. I have 6-month-old baby with a lady in Ghana. She has been banned for 10 years for entering the UK. Could there be a way to get her in?
Okay, so if she's banned, I'm probably thinking she was banned on the visit visa category. The ban will be neutralized about all your family visa application. Make sure married to a British national indefinitely to remain. These are the routes. If you go on the family routes, then the Article 8 rights, right to family and private life, no, will kick in, and so ban no very neutralized. Other than that, or ban on the skilled worker, the ban will still be effective, or ban under visit visa will be effective, even on student visa, because student visa they nearby for the UK based, so like there's no right to private and family life. You know, the Article 8 rights of the ECHR actually says there should be no interference of any public body in trying to interfere the rights of someone's family and private life. But this is different. What about the student visa, NAA, visit visa, NAA, skilled worker visa, NAA? It's just a 10 years now, but all back on the family route, which British citizen indefinitely to remain, and I say a year national to come, then it will be okay. So this is the only route of it to me, ambassador. I'll be okay without the ban, even with the ban.
Right. Okay, that's great. We round it up on his side. We have for thanks for joining us this evening on your legal answers with ABINELLE Solicitors right here on Facebook, YouTube. You stream our Facebook, ABINELLE Solicitors Facebook page, on Miami page, Daniel Kweku Datson, and on the Hack TV YouTube page. So therefore we can see all of you who are on. Once lawyer is rounding up, I will make room just for one call. If you can come through, the number is on the screen. You can call me right now via WhatsApp. No, via WhatsApp, and also make me afraid directly. I'm gonna pick you now. What answer or question now? The answer now. So lawyer, let's quickly let's just round up on the student visa. Now I think you spoke extensively about it. And I think you've also mentioned in a way the opportunities that are there for you to extend if you if you have first degree and there be a master's near the those opportunities are there, your requirements what can one say now. The interesting one in Coladi, you made mention say it's abia obasa now person in a bus school you can actually apply now Odinaba. No, I just want to get a bit of clarity in terms of all parents. No requirement being sana ube here. A bit me ama ode oba because obviously the high school kolano it's free. Public way no free. My mention said yeah, hello Pacho sa oba na wa lower way na mame make sure mention in a way the opportunities that are okay. Pacho Timinka.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me Pacho me that's me my power here pa.
Ben so me that's Pacho mo anonko.
TikTok na lawyer 2 year for say na switch partners na switch no main applicant we switch in them say the ABT visa and say the be and from Subian can intimidate na the update me visa me da lawyer so
You're welcome. Thank you for saying Kasa. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me Koso.
Me Pacho mo questions ni say me busa lawyer.
Okay.
So busa lawyer say na e pay route nearby and as dependent. Say ye adwuma sem ntini ne ema no nti paako no e be here say ye be indefinite no e here the same address and say obi address enko ana.
Okay, mommy, fair no answer. That's actually important because while warrior, you have to show that you are cohabiting. Sometimes when you're warrior, they expect you to start cohabiting. It's very important. That's one of the key things I bet say you're no Marcus warrior because depending on in Ankrata Ejina, the fact that they should prove that after the 5 years they are still married to or main applicants and to be able to get the indefinite leave to remain. And that is one of the way you prove that you're married, you live together. And Shannon so say Juma the work with the baby cry, it will be a friend of matrimonial address and a matrimonial home. adwuma de wedi baby but unya leave over back to your fie and na mo matrimonial home na ho na wa address da ho na bibia wo but adwuma nti bia wo ye adwuma wo bia Birmingham mo matrimonial home mo Manchester ho na wa address da correspondence na afa wo yer nso de e wo ho o ye adwuma wo baby and ebrede na abenu na wo ba.
Oh, okay. Pacho oti yankan. Oh, okay. All right. Pacho oti lawyer anson kan.
Na me nti lawyer yankan.
Na unti lawyer yankan yi. Okay. All right. Okay. Lawyer Pacho, you kosubio na me. Let's see. Say we find
Okay. Then I make can say you mind to month together and you have to prove that still no you are married until you refer the matrimonial address. See bit me about some matrimonial address no baby or ban one now so ye juma baby but correspondences no proof of address or address me or bank address near the a fact where you're in a hole because you have to prove that you live together, you have proof of cohabitation and who here.
All right, okay. Neme so one shana anti and can ye neme ye say sure ye we pe obetimi back no ka kotie answer or them ma wono but busa last question busa and the obetimi free so na afi wa hwe na watie ne answer or the bema.
Now the last question is at the moment me issue be about be say me follow your firm no Adam for say the be in case of that be no asim here make my contact lawyer. The me friend.
I quite will see keeping the number. I personally advise a lawyer the number of phone so because I say better to answer and I call hack TV number maybe an AI too late. So be saving me number. I quite will friends so there are specific things be our say amount there it means so I can answer.
Okay. And then Pacho, yeah, that's
it. Lawyer say me buy a consultation on me so for Adam.
All right.
Only problem.
Anyhow, cry why? All right, but Pacho, what lawyer no man that na say me the better what pick that.
My pick three numbers be only three numbers which is my pick back.
Okay, me the lawyer number and kasan so babe 266 yeah. The personal one me the babe 266 na what pick no lawyer ABENA number me there two screens e twegu e wo screen na see yeah obetimi afa and also why. All right,
that's you.
That's it. Right.
Thank you.
Right. ABENA Pacho, just round up for me with question na mibusa and na
okay, the question in is child students no. Obviously, but far within the ages of 4 and 16. We are minus. We are mofra they are not even supposed to be in the house alone. Adofo ijayama cleaning. The social services for chua. Now it's become of random no, they always have to have someone with them. And yet, and they say be able to by a whole country no unless they be able to boarding school. And then they would join my teacher for but or could they school or obey school rounds be funny the other be parents obey to me abetna ha ebi na washano for sa purposes no ubenya service and parents of a child student now when ya also first of all prove birth certificates just say we need the right birth certificate and register on time now the DNA test trust you say sabi say auntie and now for a person mommy and papa until we have to know the relationship first and answer unless it was an adopted child and a stepchild which you can also prove those with the documents required after young kind who say now who's the school no can free and free sir taxpayers money need to ask young kind fish our fees even no hospital even is a free but with the hospital for one night and there's a fee if obia or your visitor ever that and I will be seeking medical help UK bill for US who's a UK for in this department may no free baby for there's a fee with every service or more charge. We don't pay the physical money because tax at into school now so a cow especially we international a cow home student but a cow international student is a bit more chain or month or fee into wow as a child student, you have to show a bank account that just come or to pay. So because only recourse to public funds, there's money also shows or bit media accommodate more yes or china here, but that one tab a job buying a job binding any idea. So all those requirements I will be sure to show that you can provide for yourself adequately without recourse to public funds. Will be sure what's your relationship and who say abafano ne mami and ne papa no. Those are the key ones to prove obviously akwani nya visa now so background to come and stay here now show over.
Right. And the child doesn't necessarily have to be born here. Yeah, Kola ya want to Ghana.
No.
Right.
Anywhere in the world, who feels the open UK educational system. Anywhere in the world. Asia for no
Wow.
okay.
How much involved? Because I hardly hear say, and I mean the reason why I miss so I know say you're a pound, but the reason I miss is that I hardly hear say this category of visa no you can't want some say if
in fact, unfortunately, for your customer visa, how much is involved no will always go back to the school fees.
Okay.
We'll always go back to the school fees and no any better how much is involved. For the maintenance is 1,000 for the parents, no, and I say for the child is lesser. But within London 1,200 or outside London and also 800 a month to show that you have the money to maintain yourself. But the totality of the money will come from the school fees, which is a chunk of it. I bet your school be an the school out do back on. Board in Nebala by UK, I'm funding for UK public school, assigning Nebala for UK private school. Into who your UK born private school is expensive, but also a foreign national. Now also do banning financial public school that handling training with UK private school and also school fees or but people do it. Some people reach Asians there and they almost to have medical school almost sure it was charges a category. And mind you, or yet 10 years lawful residence, or indefinite leave anyway.
Okay.
Although Banaba school from 4 now, Banaba could do bear 14. Now, my men also what's not 10 years lawful residence. That's a category who be to me. I have first when you indefinitely leave to many at the end of our car. But usually, I know one person because Mark, I know most our home goes on multi devil. Maybe a school in maybe our parents, I said, but they have the money to maintain themselves and pay for it in some more.
Okay, so although the school is a public school, no, wow, but on that particular visa, no, your school fees, right?
You will still pay because it's not free. It's just like accessing the NHS. When your Chrome has resident, now you visit our Ukraine. Upon you could fear a broker. Obi or visitor or ban you could fear a broker. It's sanity. Madame would be crazy. Says she ran £7,000. Say, I didn't please. I said, yeah, what to her now? Names, oh, yeah, now far back with your jeans a while mocha. More international piece, maybe your home student or your home resident now with your own as much, but only international who feels them in your person call US for some or UK. It's the same thing. I also to your can go on to her and I will call and I will back school so I want to have into public school. I'll be to over private schools who are obviously no card goes without saying will be to your parent.
All right, Lawyer Pacho, my final one still with this. They say parents on this particular category of visa no about bet me
the parents I would need to check that because I can't think of that. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. For the general students they definitely have 20 hours to work within term. But all parents you are not working, but you're here to watch the child. And that's a very tricky one. I will check it next week and answer on TikTok. I'll give an update on that. That's something I'm imagining shut down for so.
Mate. For it's been your legal answers with ABINELLE Solicitors is our Facebook and YouTube edition, which every Friday evening from 8 o'clock. Now, many lawyer Konya and we've had amazing people join us. Thanks to Kete Kuto or Baye and also Dini Business. And we want to encourage if you are doing something amazing which would impact the community business via just on few minutes now you can we are happy to do that and give you the platform as much as someone support so your broadcast here more share my other for na benefitina bibia kama more modemo comments, any questions by about the comment section. No, you better see Mishak, any Samuel, JRKB, I'm watching Munina. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. Yami Aduma, Wednesday, you share on TikTok from 8 p.m. On my TikTok page. Mobia Mamu feed lawyer will Facebook. Yeah, lawyer, you are on Facebook in Timpacho.
I'm on Facebook as Abnanyako. There were 2 pages on Facebook, but Abnanyako is more active than Abnanyako here. There will be a Facebook account. Someone follow me. I'm sending friends request. Okay, I don't know how that one works again. And
yeah,
you can follow as well. Okay, but you follow me on Facebook. Follow me importantly on TikTok. And then I me supervisor friend me Nelson Cassie said me you show now to me share because Mimi using a page and she would love to watch it. And see, I need to be able to start using my own page. Sebe obit me I'll go back to ABINELLE solicitors the action there. And you see me encourage you be obit and can and now move follow me lawyer Abnanya Kwapia on TikTok. Very importantly, I am Abnanyako on Instagram, but importantly, lawyer Abnanya Kwapia on TikTok. Move follow me. I mean, to me starting family page, you know, and yeah.
Benefit of doing her, and they say, who bet me a DM directly. She is very responsive on social media. Who DM directly, and now quick one question or bet answer. And here consultations on patch. Don't worry, consultation is not expensive. Neighbor for pass is saying so, or about 10% discount because you found her on my show right here on social media. Lawyer, thank you so much. Your final words, Sansana Wako.
Hello, Biasi. Thank you so much. The support is enormous. For what we are doing. People are sharing the numbers. People are just calling. And you are doing Biasi. Let's help each other. Share the number. Let's help our community. Let's be a thriving society here in the UK now. Biasi and Castle. Yes, there will be asked so much, and the host and so as to say, Wajibu be out and come before. Wow, she says, I'll be share later. Thank you, and then we appreciate you. On Wednesday, we share our TikTok like we do, and then back here on Friday next week. In advance, I just want to wish you a happy new month. Yes, much now. We've done half. We are entering the month halfway of the year 2024. Whatever you're aspiring for, it's not too late. So, come see me. So yes, second quarter, second half, year room next month in patrol. This is the time. Many into Omajana friend.
Your friend reach
Restoration about their mom to Abna, lawyer Abna on ABINELLE solicitors. And a team of fantastic, amazing people are. Well, and it's me. I solve your problem. So thank you, and then we'll be a happy good weekend.
Okay, thank you so much for your but Mamure fee to send money to Ghana. It's Pay Angel money transfer. That is the friend is saying that is your preferred your friend is saying money transfer service or so money sika echo Ghana Pay Angel money transfer. And in addition to that, 11 more African countries you can send money to: Nigeria, Tanzania, Kenya, South Africa, La Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, Uganda, Cameroon, and a lot more places that you can send money to. Pay Angel money transfer. Rates, I know you are very, very, very particular about rates. The rates are amazing. Every time we make sure that we give you the very best rate. The service is amazing as well. BBNia, just contact us, our customer service. Come on. Remember rain fee. So Obe Manisika is Pay Angel money transfer and Odebe Manisika. And say who download the app and so I remember rain fee say the referral code na Danny78 Danny78 DANNY 78. Just download this, send a test transaction and give me feedback. So all of you who join us across Facebook and YouTube, Thank you so much. Let me say a very good evening as well to CEO of ABINELLE Solicitors, Mrs. Amy Nelson, and also and also to all the colleagues at Pay Angel Money Transfer, or the Pay Inc. group across Ghana, UK, South Africa, and all your teams around the world. Daniel. Let's meet on TikTok for another time on Wednesday. Your legal answers with lawyer Abena and ABINELLE Solicitors, and then Friday we are back here. Whom or any event in, so just give me a shout out and then let me know that we met right on this channel. Follow me across all social media platforms and let's share the excerpts. Excerpts number out, share and let others benefit from the information. Nyankopon Insha Obibia Akramo Anissa.
No fees, fast and secure. No fees. No fees, fast and secure. No fees, fast and secure. Hey, mommy, we Paucho, what they're saying?
Thanks for this.
Oh, Abba.
That's it. Get the best exchange rate, fast and secure. Excellent customer service. Plus, free life insurance, but Ghana only. Traveling back home? Don't need to take your cash anymore. Use Pay Angel, free international money transfer.
Pay Angel, it's safe, fast, and secure.